Magnitude 7.8 tremor is recorded by seismograph. So we expect dangerous eruptions for tonight. I hope not, but this is what the seismograph shows. For today, we had a maximum in the early hours of the morning, then reached a deep in the midday. Now is again picking up, and by afternoon, by evening, actually, we reached for 2 to 4 hertz tremors. We have a 7.8 magnitude tremor recorded by the seismographs. Volcano looks dangerously quiet at the moment. Look at the peak suddenly reached there. It's quiet, nothing, not even gases are coming out, just a few things you can see in the background. This is dangerous situation. Keep away from the volcano.